Good morning, students. Today we will learn oxidation and reduction reactions. What do you mean by oxidation? What do you mean by reduction? So, in general way, we can say that addition of oxygen or removal or release of hydrogen from an element or compound. Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen or release of hydrogen from an element or compound is called as oxidation. Got it? On the other hand, release of oxygen, release or removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen or release of oxygen is called as reduction. Both are opposite antonyms to each other. Addition of oxygen, removal of oxygen. Removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen. Got it? What is oxidation? What is reduction? Now look an example. Carbon react with the oxygen. Carbon combine with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide. To form carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide. So in here, oxygen is joined, combined with the carbon. So which kind of this reaction? Oxidation reaction. Here, in this case, hydrogen released from sulfur. I have told you earlier, addition of oxygen to an element or compound. Release of hydrogen from an element or compound. Hydrogen which is joined with the sulfur over here. The hydrogen removed from the sulfur. Hydrogen released from the sulfur. This process is called as reduction. This is an example of the reduction. Got it? And hydrogen released from the sulfur and joined with the chlorine. Got it? So hydrogen released from the sulfur, this process is the oxidation reaction. Got it? This one. Now look examples of the reduction. Now look reduction reactions. What do you mean by reduction reactions? Addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen. MgO plus carbon. Here, from the oxygen released from the magnesium, and joined with the carbon. So here, in this reaction, this is the which is this reaction? This is reduction reaction. Removal of hydrogen takes place. In this reaction, removal of hydrogen takes place. Another reaction we can take over here. H2S plus bromine. H2S plus bromine. Now hydrogen here and bromine. Hydrogen joined with the bromine. To produce HBr. Hydrogen joined with the bromine. Joining of hydrogen takes place with the bromine. So this is which reaction? This is reduction reactions. This is removal of oxygen, addition of oxygen. This is addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. So these are oxidation reactions, these are reduction reactions. Now look, there are two another terms arise over here. Number one, reducing agents, and second one, oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agent and yes, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agents. The agents, the element or compound which are responsible for oxidation of other. दूसरे का ऑक्सीडेशन करेंगे, जो दूसरों का ऑक्सीडेशन करेंगे, such kind of material are known as oxidizing agent. Look over here. The carbon react with the oxygen. Carbon join with the oxygen. कार्बन किससे ज्वाइन हो गया? ऑक्सीजन से. ज्वाइन किसने करवाया? ऑक्सीजन ने. ज्वाइन किसने करवाया? ऑक्सीजन ने. तो ऑक्सीजन इज हियर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ये ऑक्सीजन कौन एडिशन कौन करवा रही है? ऑक्सीजन का. ऑक्सीजन खुद करवा रही है. तो क्या कहेंगे? ऑक्सीजन इज एक्ट एज ओवर हियर एज अ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. लाइक दिस हियर क्लोरीन रिलीज करवा रही है हाइड्रोजन को. क्लोरीन रिलीज दी हाइड्रोजन. Chlorine is responsible for release of hydrogen, removal of hydrogen from H2S. H2S से कौन रिलीज करवा रही है हाइड्रोजन को? हमारी क्लोरीन. So chlorine is the oxidizing agent over here. Chlorine is oxidizing agent over here. Chlorine is responsible for oxidation of sulfur. Oxidation of this one H2S. So this is known as chlorine is oxidizing agent. Here oxygen is reduced oxidizing agent. Now another term arising over here, that is the reducing agents. The agents which reduce the others. The agents which reduce the others are known as reducing agent. Look over here. Carbon, MgO. Release of oxygen is called reduction. Who is responsible for reduction of MgO? Carbon. कार्बन ने रिडक्शन करवाया. किसका? इसका. यहां से ऑक्सीजन को बाहर निकालने में हेल्प किया, मोटिवेट किया इसको कि ऑक्सीजन को बाहर निकाल दे. सो कार्बन इज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट ओवर हियर. व्हाट इज द कार्बन? रोल ऑफ कार्बन एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. Now look over here. H2S. In this case, H2S is responsible for joining of bromine with hydrogen. H2S is responsible for joining of bromine with hydrogen. Reduction of bromine. H2S is responsible for reduction of bromine. जो दूसरों का रिडक्शन करें क्या कहेंगे? Reducing agents. The agents which are responsible for reduction of others. So bromine over here, sorry, H2S over here acts as the reducing agent.